our friends who are going to draw Hawaii.
Yeah, we went on a vacation to Hawaii, and we thought it would be fun to draw an island that looks like Hawaii. And when we were there, we saw a lot of rainbows. Yeah, we saw a rainbow almost every single day.
Yeah.
So we thought it would be fun to draw Hawaii, but also a really big rainbow. We hope you're going to follow along with us. What do they need?
A marker.
Marker, something to draw with. Also some
Paper.
And also
Something to color with.
yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're first using our markers to draw with, and then we're going to use crayons to color with. We're using our Art for Kids Hub crayons, but you could use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You don't have to use the same stuff that we're using. You could also even just use crayons to draw with.
Yeah.
Let's first draw the bottom of our island. I'm going to draw a straight line in the middle of our paper, and you could draw it, well, kind of lower too, so that we have room for the rainbow above. Oh, you know what? I'm also going to extend it out just a little past almost to the edge of the paper on both sides. So we're going to come out really far. There you go. All the way across to the other side. Yes, you did it. Now we're going to draw the island, but we're going to draw some of the things in front of the island first. Let's first draw a little like bush or plant, or maybe it's even small trees. We're going to draw a popcorn land right here in the middle. Yeah. Oh, that's a cool little plant. Now let's draw another plant. I'm going to draw it right about here. It's even kind of smaller. Yes, a little bumpy popcorn line. Oh, it kind of looks like a cloud too.
Yeah.
And then we can draw another one over here.
I'm going to draw
a little one? Oh, really little. That's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the island. And we're going to draw it kind of looking like a volcano, but this one is not going to erupt. This one is covered in lots of green and grass and plants. So we're going to just draw a hill that comes up and then back down. And I kind of went from one of the plants to the other plants, but I love that. You could also even draw another little hill right here that's part of the island. That looks cool too. Oh, and another one on that side. That's awesome. Okay, now let's add clouds. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a kind of a big cloud that comes up higher and connects to the mountain, or the island, I mean. The mountain on the island. Yes, that's a big cloud. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to draw a cloud that connects to the island. Awesome. Okay, now we could draw the first part of our rainbow. Let's start here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes up, over, and then back down, and that's the top of our rainbow. You could start over on this side too if you want, and then you could draw it this way. Yes, good job. Let's also draw the water. I'm going to draw kind of a wavy line down here to connect to the other side, and that's the waves and the water. Also, when we visited Hawaii, there was another thing that we always saw everywhere on the island.
palm trees.
Palm trees. Yeah, let's add a couple palm trees. And we could draw it really small because this is a big island. I'm going to draw two curved lines coming up like this. We could just draw anywhere. That's a good spot. Yes, ooh, that's a really tall palm tree. Then we're going to draw palm leaves. It kind of looks like a flower because it's so far away. We're going to draw these leaves kind of small. There's one palm tree. I'm going to add maybe a couple more leaves. There we go. There's one palm tree. Let's add another palm tree over here going the other way. And you could also draw it up in the sky. Yeah, just like that. Whoa, really cool. I like that one. And then we're going to add the leaves. There we go. Oh, that's a really cute palm tree. I love it. We're all done drawing Hawaii, except we're not completely done.
We still need color.
Yeah, it's going to look so much better all colored in. And we have our crayons. So first, let's pick out the colors that we're going to use.
Okay.
We have a bunch of colors. We have all of the rainbow colors, red, orange, yellow, green. We also have a light blue and a dark blue. Oh, and also a dark green.
Yeah.
Should we start with the rainbow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with our red crayon, and we're going to follow the black line, but we're going to make it thicker. So we're just going to trace around the black line, but we'll come like this all the way around and just make that first color of the rainbow matching the marker line. What's the next color?
Orange.
Orange, yeah. And let's do the same thing. we're going to trace around the red and stay right next to it and just draw another layer for a rainbow, the orange layer. And what's the color after orange?
Yellow.
Yellow. Then we're going to do the same thing, add a layer of yellow right next to the orange. And then after yellow, let's do green. And we'll repeat the same step, add a layer of green next to the yellow. I love that the layers are getting kind of smaller too. See how the curve is much smaller?
Yeah.
As we come into the center. And if you want, you could go back to the previous color or the color before, which was yellow, and then you can make it blend a little bit better with the orange and also the green if you want, but you don't have to. Oh, I love your rainbow. It's looking really cool. Okay, now let's switch to our, oh yeah, do the yellow and you can color in some of those extra white spots that are left. Then let's use our blue, and I'm going to use the light blue instead of the dark blue. And we can go around for another level. Oh, we're kind of missing a color too.
Yeah.
What comes after blue?
Purple.
Purple. You're so right. We could do the dark purple or light purple. Let's do the light purple. And I'm going to go ahead and do that next. Layer 2. Right there. Look, we're so close to the island. We almost don't have room for the sky. If we wanted to, we could make this a lot bigger, and then we'd have a lot less room. And then the next color, let's switch to our dark blue, and we'll color in the sky. That's right next to the island and also the rainbow. We can color that in solid. And then let's also switch to our light blue, and we can add a little shading around the outside of the clouds. So we're just going to trace around the outside so that the cloud looks white, but with a little blue outline. And we'll do that same thing to the right cloud. Next, let's switch back to our light green and color in the island. Then we can switch to our light brown or medium brown, and we can color in the palm tree trunks. Yeah, there you go. Then we can switch to our dark green and color in the palm leaves and also the little smaller plants in front of the island. What's the last thing we need to color?
The water.
The water or the ocean. I'm going to use the dark blue and we'll just color in this bottom shape solid. And if you want, you could leave little waves, but that's a little trickier. You could leave the waves off if you want. Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Hawaii and the beautiful rainbow. I love rainbows so much, and I know they're one of your favorite things too.
Yes.
Why do you like them so much?
Because they're colorful.
Yeah, they're really colorful. They have all of the colors, and they're really fun to draw too. What else could our art friends add to their drawings?
Animals or people.
Oh yeah, you could draw lots of animals, maybe birds, and also, maybe some animals in the ocean. And you could also draw people, really small people, way off in the distance.
We hope you have fun drawing Hawaii with us.
We do, and we hope you had a lot of fun drawing a rainbow. I love rainbows so much.
Yeah.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.